Attack vector is one of the more popular cybersecurity buzzwords, but as I've encountered in conversation, there's still some confusion around the phrase. Quite simply, attack vectors are methods or pathways hackers use to gain illegal access to a computer, system, or network to exploit system vulnerabilities. Attackers exploit system weaknesses to launch attacks, steal access credentials, cause data breaches, or other serious issues. Although financial gain often fuels these attacks, some steal money from organizations and people, or instead demand a ransom by holding personally identifiable information or other data. Hackers capitalizing on cybersecurity attack vectors could be professional hacking groups or individuals, disgruntled former employees, business competitors who want a competitive advantage, hacktivists, or organized politically motivated groups, or groups sponsored by actual governments. Some of the more popular attack vectors include, but aren't limited to, phishing attacks, categorized as a social engineering attack. Phishing is a potent and popular attack vector. The goal of phishing is typically theft of user data, including credit card numbers and login credentials. Malware. Malware refers to any malicious software that infects IT infrastructure with malicious code, such as worms, viruses, and Trojans. Malware infections impact service availability while compromising valuable data. Organizations greatly reduce risk by monitoring and maintaining up-to-date antivirus and firewall protection. And insider threats. Insider threats are damages that an insider can cause, wittingly or unwittingly, with his or her authorized access to organizational equipment, facilities, information, mission, networks, personnel, resources, or systems. Now, these are not to be confused with an attack surface. Some refer to attack surface and attack vector as if these concepts are the same thing, but there are in fact some critical differences. The attack surface comprises all points on the network where an attacker can attempt to gain unauthorized access to information systems and any data via any asset. Attack vectors are the techniques attackers deploy to infiltrate or breach your network. Certain attack vectors take aim at humans that have network access, while other attack vectors target weaknesses in overall infrastructure and security. And when it comes to attack vectors, you should know that Gartner predicts APIs will become the most frequent attack vector. With that said, you should also know that the Noname API security platform drives a multifaceted API security process, starting in the API development stage with testing and continuing throughout the API lifecycle. The platform uses a combination of API discovery, API testing tools, continuous monitoring, and runtime threat mitigation. If you'd like to learn more about all the platform has to offer, please visit us at nonamesecurity.com.